Back in the day, turntables were known as phonograms or gramophones. By placing a vinyl record on a turntable, you can listen to recorded songs. These vintage wonders are the equivalent to your favorite digital music players of today. But thanks to technology, they've given it a modern spin, no pun intended, and these are the top 5 turntables that we've researched and gathered for your viewing pleasure. At number 1 is the AUDIO-TECHNICA fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable. Looking for a high quality turntable that delivers a crisp sound with modern aesthetic? Then this old school product might just be what you're looking for. The AUDIO-TECHNICA automatic stereo turntable is an excellent choice for playing your favorite records or looking to rediscover your record collection. You can also add a vintage audio device to your system. The product can play both 33 and 45 RPM records, and the anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter allows you to enjoy your favorite songs from yesteryear. The turntable's approximate dimensions are 19 inches long, 17 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and weighs about 8 pounds. The product is a belt drive automatic turntable with DC servo-controlled motor. This model redesigned the base of the tone arm as well as the head shell for greatly reduced resonance, providing only high-fidelity vinyl audio and improved tracking. The inclusion of an AC adapter greatly reduces noise further and limits the impact of an AC-DC conversion outside the chassis on a single chain. The product features an integral dual magnet phono cartridge with its own replaceable diamond stylus. The cartridge is contained within the head shell for ease of use and increased performance. The AUDIO-TECHNICA automatic stereo turntable features a built-in switchable phono preamplifier to allow for either phono or line-level output and includes a detachable 3.5mm male to dual RCA output cable. A 45 RPM adapter and removable hinge dust cover are also included. At number 2 is the VICTROLA 6-in-1 nostalgic Bluetooth record player with 3-speed turntable and CD and cassette. For those younger ones watching, CDs or compact discs and cassette tapes were storage devices people used to play music on their respective players before going fully digital. This beautiful vintage-looking turntable will add that fashionable retro vibe to any space in your home. Classical on the outside yet modern on the inside, this product brings together 2 worlds in one gorgeous item. The device's approximate dimensions are 21 inches in length, 16 inches wide, 12 inches tall, and a weight of 17.5 pounds. It comes in a mahogany color, lending to that retro finish that allows this device to fit into any space within your home. The product is a 3-speed belt-driven turntable that features an upgraded premium sound quality with less of the vibrations that normally come from turntables. Play your records in either 33, 45, or 78 RPM while it sits in your living room, bedroom, or home office. The VICTROLA record player is a 6-in-1 entertainment hub that you and your family can enjoy. Want to listen to a collection of your records? You can do that. Have some CDs and cassette tapes too? This product will play those also. It even includes an FM stereo as well as the ability to stream music from your mobile device with Bluetooth technology. It even comes with a 3.5mm aux or headphone jack. The VICTROLA 6-in-1 record player requires no additional stereo system or extra equipment, just to play. Simply plug the device in and get it up and running in just a few short minutes. It's an ideal product for both beginners starting their vinyl collection or vintage enthusiasts that have more refined tastes. For an additional boost in sound, you can simply connect an external speaker or amplifier via the RCA line outputs on the device, or simply plug in headphones and the headphone jack for a more private session. For those new to our channel, thank you for tuning in and watching our video. If you'd like to hear more about the products or want to be notified when our latest videos go live, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you'll know when it comes out immediately. At number 3 is the CROSLEY C6 Bluetooth Turntable. A modern take on a classic is always a hit for collectors, and this product provides only the highest of sound quality. The CROSLEY Bluetooth Turntable is a 2-speed turntable that can stream music to any of your favorite Bluetooth speakers, providing fans of a true analog experience while delivering only crisp sound. The product's approximate dimensions are 13 inches in length, 16 inches in width, 6 inches in height, and has a weight of 12 pounds, while coming in a black color. To keep vibrations at bay, the audio-grade MDF plinth is covered in a beautiful black veneer that suits any modern home and office, and its weight keeps the entire product sturdy and stable. The The fully manual 2-speed turntable motor sits underneath the platter and spins records at both 33 and 45 RPMs thanks to its vibration synchronous motor. To play those beautiful vinyl records on the CROSLEY Bluetooth turntable, simply dial in the tracking force with the tone arm counterweight. Use the cueing level to gently drop the record needle to fill the room with the beautiful sounds of a vinyl record. This turntable comes with a moving magnetic cartridge that's pre-installed, but you can also use a standard mount that you can upgrade while you grow your collection. To connect your speakers or receivers, plug them in with the RCA outputs on the back of the device and then flip on the built-in preamp. Sit back and relax as you listen to your favorite records on this great product. At number 4 is the TECHPLAY 3-speed wooden retro classic turntable with FM radio, headphone jack, and built-in speakers. Looking for a retro-esque turntable that functions as both a vinyl player and a radio? The TECHPLAY vinyl player is just the solution for you. This gorgeous looking turntable lets you enjoy your favorite classic radio collection with only the best audio quality while looking stunning. It can also play FM radio programs, so there's always going to be something to listen to. The product's approximate dimensions are 14 inches in length, 12 inches in width, 6 inches in height, and weighs 6 pounds. It has a beautiful wood finish that will fit into any room with vintage collections around your home or office. The TECHPLAY Classic Turntable is a 3-speed, allowing it to play any record of various sizes, so you can listen to any of your favorite LP or EPs and singles with just one product. The product comes with built-in speakers, allowing you to listen to your records without the need to plug in additional speakers and play them on the device. If you want to use external speakers or just want to incorporate the device into your sound system, you can use the RCA audio in port and plug it from there. The addition of an FM tuner is a welcome addition to the music player, allowing you to listen to your favorite radio stations. The TECHPLAY Classic Turntable can run either on USB or AC power, letting you enjoy your music however and wherever you want. See any of the products on our list that you like? Be sure to give this video a like to show us that you want to see more videos just like this in the future. Also, share this video with your friends and family or any other turntable enthusiasts. If you want more information on the products listed in our video, check out the links in the description box below to catch them at their best prices. And now let's check out our final product. At number 5 is the GEMINI TT900BR vinyl record player turntable with Bluetooth and dual stereo speakers. GEMINI provides a modern, sleek aesthetic to a vintage device with its black and red details and modern design. The GEMINI turntable combines both the great aesthetics of modern design with a rich, crisp, high-quality sound of analog vinyl to create only the best bookshelf stereo system. The product is able to create a great sound thanks to the 2-speed belt drive automatic platter that turns vinyl records at just the correct speed to provide enough vibrations. The stereo cartridge and stylus drop down on the record to capture only the incredible depth and detail of vinyl records. The GEMINI turntable can play any of your favorite 33 or 45 RPM vinyl records. The vibration and sound generated is then processed through the integrated amplifier of the GEMINI turntable and sent out through the 25-watt two-way stereo speakers to create a unique sound that makes you feel like you're in the middle of the recording. The vinyl record player is also capable of streaming music with its integrated Bluetooth receiver, allowing you to enjoy music wherever you are at home with a Bluetooth speaker. It comes as the only music device that you'll need to listen to the music you enjoy. Although the product may not have a cover for its turntable, with proper care and maintenance, you can ensure this product will only provide you with the most crisp, beautiful vinyl sounds that will ever be played. And there you have our top 5 turntables. If you found any one of these products worth your time, go ahead and check out the links in the description box below and catch them at their best prices. If there's a product you'd like to see us review in a future video, just let us know down below and our research team will get to work. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. That's all for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.